Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your credit card with BBVA detailed guide step by step clearly. To recover your credit card with BBVA, begin by gathering your personal information. Ensure you have your identification documents ready, such as your social security number and a valid ID. Next, visit the BBVA official website or open the BBVA mobile app. Locate the Customer Support section on the homepage. Select the option for Lost or Stolen Credit Card. You will be presented with two options: report your card as lost or stolen. Choose the appropriate option based on your situation. If you are using the website, follow the prompts to log into your account. Enter your username and password to access your online banking portal. Once logged in, follow the prompts to report your credit card as lost or stolen. If you prefer using the app, navigate to the Accounts tab. Find your credit card listed under your accounts. Tap on the card you wish to recover and select the option for reporting it. If you do not have access to online services, call BBVA customer service directly. The customer service number can be found on their website. When prompted, provide your personal information for verification. Explain your situation to the representative and provide details about your card. Request a replacement card to be issued. Make sure to confirm the mailing address for where the new card will be sent. After your request, verify if there are any temporary cards available for immediate use. Finally, monitor your account for the arrival of your new card. Once received, activate it immediately following the provided instructions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.